Kia ora, my name is Sam V. I write songs, I attempt to sing them, exotic dancer. I represent Auckland CBD, aka the 1010, and this is my Ka Mua Ka Muri. If I'm to describe the Sam V style, so my style of doing music is like almost like a throwback R&B showman, modern interpretation and twist on it. In terms of Tāmaki, Auckland, super influenced by, I guess, the Polynesian kind of taste and flair in terms of music. Like if I'm gonna go out clubbing, I'm gonna frequent the clubs where I feel comfortable, where most of my people are. So a lot of that on K Road. I think of K Road, I think of like, I don't know, some people realize Rashid, but I like the Oranges and the Illusion clubs there. Just the music, hip hop, R&B. At this current moment in time, that kind of is the music which will help shape and mold at least my taste, or as a place where I feel comfortable musically, you know. Not too much doof doof. Doof doof scrambles my brain, bro. So I need something that I can like shake my hips to or something, you know. They're stiff as a stink.
No, yeah. I want you wearing me, every shade and every color, toss and turn and in the covers. Let me bathe in you. I need you right with me, cause it's gone way past obsession. Now we don't do it, I regret this. Never lie to me, baby. Tell me your problems, I'll take care of it. What's all this cash if I ain't spending it? After all this time, you're still on my mind, and ain't nothing can tear us apart. Remember, I don't need possessions to give you heaven. I got what you need, and I like how you think. I don't need possessions, you ain't got a mission. I got what you need, and you know how I think. Oh, baby, how? Take a step with me if you're a freak tonight. Baby, there ain't no him cause you're with me tonight. I booked a house in Hollywood, but it's empty without you. We got love inside this booth. Tell me your problems, I'll take care of it. Baby, what's all this cash if I ain't spending it? No, after all this time, it's on my mind, and ain't nothing can tear us apart. Remember, I don't need possessions to give you. I got what you need, and I like how you think. I don't need possessions, you ain't got to mention. I got what you need, and you know how baby, how? Break it down now. Say, you got my loving, you don't need possessions. You got my loving, you don't need possessions. You got my loving, you don't need. You got my loving, you don't need possessions. You got my loving, you don't need possessions. You got my loving, you don't need. I got what you need, and I like how you think. I don't need possessions to give you. I got what you need, and I like how you think. I don't need possessions, you ain't gonna miss it. I got what you need, and you know how baby, how? Possessions to give you. I got what you need, and oh, I don't need possessions you ain't gonna mention. Oh, I don't need.
It's important that I'm using like whatever platform I have at this point in time to inspire and motivate the next R&B kids coming through, you know, the 17, 18-year-olds of right now, the 14, 13, even younger, just motivating them to look at what I'm doing right now and be like, I can do that. It's doable, and then hopefully inspire them to be better than me and greater. I think it's important that we have that, and to be mentors and to be guardians and to pave somewhat of a path for people or show them that there's one way of doing it. So if I can do that for a couple youngins, then hard. Because I won't always be in the current spot that I'm at, you know, I might dry out, you know. So while I have somewhat of a space to, you know, influence and power, I'll do that. I think our Pacific Māori people, we kind of think collectively. We think about the haora, the well-being of the group. So I think that way of like mentorship and wayfinding, navigating, like I think that kind of appeals quite naturally to our people and our young people, because that's what they've grown up in, circumstances in. And saying that, sometimes I wish people were more selfish. So I don't mean that in a negative context, but sometimes I try to inspire our youngins to think about themselves and what they want as one person, as one artist. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think it works, but at the same time, like I don't want our youngins to come up obsessed with humility and being grounded, because that sometimes that can hold us back. I mean, what's that saying? The kumara doesn't speak of its own sweetness, right? Like, I both like and I don't like that. I feel like there's something special about calling a shot and then going and taking it. Yeah, there's something endearing about someone that says they're going to do something. Those are like my favorite artists, are the guys that go and like, I'm going to go and perform at this platform. I'm going to open for this guy. I'm going to win this award. I'm going to headline a show, X, Y, Z. Yeah, that's the stuff that I get inspired by. So I always try and be quite blunt with my goals and, you know, say what I'm doing, what I'm working on.
You play a war in my mind. Well, some things they never change. None for my own peace of mind. I died, but you'd stay the same. But if I asked about your mama, no, she'd lie there. Go ahead and tell your brother he won't fight back. It's okay, it's okay. I should move on anyway. See, I've been busy sleeping with my demons, getting tangled in them deep enough to sink in. I know you can feel my pain to sink your teeth in. It's okay, it's okay. Don't wanna move on anyway. Cause, yeah, you've got your flaws, I've got mine. Ain't no rebounding this time. You know you've stepped out of line this time. Are you done with playing the victim? Cause it won't change nothing. I can't help that you're lonely. No, I can't help that, baby. We were a contradiction, yeah. So baby, I moved on now. You make changes and show me. So you can ask about my mom and she won't mind that. But don't ask about my friends cause they won't like that. It's okay, it's okay. I should move on anyway, yeah. And I know you've been sleeping with your demons, getting tangled in them high enough to sleep in. I know you can feel my pain to sink your teeth in. It's okay, it's okay. Don't wanna move on anyway. Cause you've got your flaws, I've got mine. Yeah, yeah. Ain't no rebounding this time. Hey, you know you've stepped out of line this time. You've got your flaws, I've got mine. No more rebounding this time. You find your peace, I'll find mine this time.
So I met Jasmine through a program called Stand Up, Stand Up that you're well familiar with. And I just asked her after the competition, so she won last year, won the solo vocal category. I said, do you have a means of like recording your stuff, or have you heard your stuff recorded before? And she's like, no, not yet. And I was like, well, you know, who am I to like gatekeep that opportunity? Like, I have the means to help with that. I know people that can help produce you. I know a guy, you know, but yeah, so pretty much got her and an old lady to come through and just track the song, and I think we're gonna track another one soon. Just to like, I don't know, you just see that light in their eyes light up when they hear their voice back on a recording and things are mixed and mastered properly, and I think that it just lights go off in their head, like, I'm capable, I can do this. So, I don't know, I guess I like seeing that light go off in people's heads, you know? Another young artist is Elena as well, like, been quite closely working with her the last couple of years. Hales too. Yeah, just so many young cats coming through, and if you can like at least be an older brother figure to like get them thinking a little bit bigger than maybe what they already are. Like even the idea of like telling them that they can get their music on radio is crazy. They don't believe you, think you're lying. No, you can, like it's a possibility here. It's a small country, you can make things move quite quickly, but you just need to get people to shift their thinking bigger picture as opposed to like this is foreign. Bro, I think the next generation of like musicians that are going to come and infiltrate the New Zealand and the wider music industry globally are the kids that are on BandLab. I think most of them, if not all of them, will be from our South Auckland schools. All of them doing their own little mixes and exports and bounces, and they're just doing this all on their phone. And I'm seeing this like, yeah, crack TikTok at the moment. And I think there's going to be a whole generation of kids that come through there. They're going to be our musicians that, you know, come and take over and do the damage. Tāmaki music in the future, hopefully it sounds like my friends and I, the BandLab kids, and I don't know, maybe someone really takes off and does stuff in America. Yeah, who knows?
So when I close my eyes at nighttime, the only face I see is yours. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Holding you close, I feel the light shine. Your body, girl, I do adore. Oh, yeah. One more time. Yeah, I'm loving on your perfume snow. Ooh, 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 one more time. Can I ask if you this favor? So, will you come and spend the night with me? Baby, we can chill forever, save your energy. Hope I throw it right there, let's fly. Cause I wanna vibe with you all night long. I wanna love on you, baby. I said, feeling so strong. I wanna vibe with you all night long. Take you for a ride all around the world. Said you made my heart stop. Won't you be my girl? Oh, no, no, yeah. So I wanna vibe with you. I wanna love on you. So I wanna vibe with you. I wanna love on you. Verse 2, okay, and hey now. I remember doves and roses, the honeymoon phase I'm on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I feel the lust, my heart is yearning. Just wanna feel your touch. Oh, yeah. Honey, one more time. Yeah, I'm loving on your perfume. Slow, woo, 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 oh. Scoop-a-da-bubba, scoop-a-da-bubba, oh, oh, yeah, yeah. One more time. Can I ask if you this favor? So, will you come and spend the night with me? Baby, we can chill forever, save your energy. And why you gotta go and like that? I wanna vibe with you all night long. I wanna love on you, baby. I said, feeling so strong. I wanna vibe with you all night long. Take you for a ride all around the world. Said you remember how I stopped. Won't you be my girl? Oh, no, no, yeah. Baby, we can do it all night. Loving on your skin tight. Yeah. So baby, we can do it all night. Loving on you. I wanna vibe with it. You. I wanna love on you. I wanna vibe with you. I wanna vibe with you, baby. I said all night long. I wanna love on you, baby. Feeling so strong. I wanna vibe with you all night long. Take you for a ride all around my world. Said you made my heart stop. Be my girl, oh no.
Smash.